In a place where kindness was scarce, Maya found solace in an unlikely friendship. The young girl's heart danced with joy as she discovered a companion in the tiny, colorful creature. Fear gripped Maya's heart as she realized her feathered friend was in pain and in need of help. With unwavering resolve, Maya tried to fix what was broken, her determination pushing her to overcome the challenge. Love and care radiated from Maya as she tended to her small friend, her touch a healing balm of friendship. Hope soared in Maya's heart as she witnessed Pipit's gradual recovery, a testament to the power of love and dedication. As Pipit soared into the vast sky, Maya felt a mix of emotions, a bittersweet moment of letting go and holding on. With memories of friendship tucked in her heart, Maya set off on a journey, carrying the lessons of love and loyalty with her. Through valleys and over mountains, Maya found happiness in the belief that true friendship endures, no matter the distance.